Hi unboxers, here's a quick look on the boxes of our two figure, and we will be proceeding on the unboxing next. Today we will be having a quick comparison of the WCF and DXF figure of Chopper, which was inspired from the Red Film movie of One Piece this year. Okay, let's assemble first the WCF Chopper. WCF is short for World Collectible Figures. WCF stands around 1.5 inches and the item comes in whole as we can see here, and the detail is quite accurate. Next is the DXF or the deluxe figure. The XF stands around 2.5 inches and normally it comes in a 3 pieces or the 4 pieces to assemble the actual figure. Compared to WCF, the XF has more details as it is more easy to detail a bigger figure in my opinion. Both items showcase the likeness of the character based on the movie, and the quality of the figures is highly collectible. So what do you think, guys? I can say with certainty that both WCF and DXF toy line is really great. Also, it has a wide variety of selections. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Quick tip, a pre-order is cheaper compared to buying the actual item after the release date. Shout out to Father and Sons collection for my WCF and GAV for the DXF figure. Thank you for accommodating my pre-orders.